Hello, Amale Laaroussi, professor researcher in the Faculty of Legal, Economic and Social Sciences, University Moulay Ismail, Meknes, Morocco. I will present my article entitled Study of Economic and Environmental Impact of Photovoltaic Installation located in Sali, Morocco. In this presentation, we will start by objectives of the study, following by introduction and main results and analysis, and we will end up with a conclusion. Through the study, we have shown the importance of choosing a renewable source to generate electricity by studying the economic and environmental impact of photovoltaic installation in a shopping center in Sali in Morocco, while analyzing its investment costs and studying its profitability in time. Unlike fossil energy, renewable energy is non-exhaustible, doesn't emit greenhouse gases, although its availability depends on weather conditions. Fortunately, this factor acts in favor of the Moroccan territory, which is characterized by a diversified climate. In this article, we make an economic and ecological study of a project relating to a PV installation in a shopping center located in the city of Sali in order to show the impact of this installation in terms of efficiency, decreased cost, reduction of greenhouse gases, by taking into account electrical production and the global output of the installation, and throughout the calculation of the investment costs as well as the return on investment, the carbon credit, and the generated income. In order to make an economic and ecological study of a project, we adopt a quantitative method. This table shows the balance sheet of investment. So we have estimated the investment costs of a PV installation by considering costs related to the main and associated equipments, planning, engineering studies, and installation. We also took into account grid connection equipment, earthing, etc. As the main result of the study, this table summarizes the savings and expenses of the PV installation, considering economic elements such as the inflation and discount rate, which allowed us to calculate the return on investment time, which is used as an indicator of the PV system profitability. The figure highlights a return on investment of less than 5 years, which is a very good deal in the PV field. The following table represents the carbon credit and the income that relates to the project. We note that the energy produced by the projected PV field will be about 2,414 megawatt hour. So the use of solar energy instead of the electrical energy from the National Electricity Office grid has avoided significant weight of greenhouse gases, which means that an important income has been generated. This article concerns the conception and dimensioning of a 1,426 kilowatt peak PV installation for a shopping center in Saleh, Morocco. The financial analysis allowed us to get an estimation of the investment cost and to know if the project can generate sufficient profits to pay out the investment capital. Also, the economic and environmental study is convincing in the sense that it shows a return on investment of 5 years and a significant reduction of dioxide of carbon. Finally, this study confirms that switching to renewable energy is a good alternative for generating income, reducing costs, and contributing to sustainable development. And thank you for your attention.